Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Friday to you. Hope everybody had a great week and you are getting ready for the weekend. Stay warm out there. It is quite cold and it's getting colder as we speak, so stay warm. Just a couple of quick reminders for you. We are open the rest of the weekend through Monday, and our $9.99 special this week to go is a maitake mushroom risotto with local cremini mushrooms. And we also have our buy one get one free special going as well, and that is for takeout only. So those are a couple of quick updates. Monday we have a wine dinner, 4 wines in a dish for $29. So hopefully some of you can join us on Monday. We do have some room available for that wine dinner still. We are open here at Aroma Thyme. Inside dining is available. If you're brave enough to sit outside, our tent is open and we will turn on a heater for you, but it is quite cold out there. And we have takeout available as well, so our full menu is available for takeout. So hope everybody is having a great day. I'm going to make this quick and short today. I'm going to be making this this recipe called Noreaster. Somebody sent this to me. I believe it was Laura. She sent me a picture and the recipe, so thank you, Laura, for sending this to me. And I'm going to be making this this drink. It's called Noreaster. I'm going to be using Rough Rider bourbon from Long Island. I'm going to be using local maple syrup, lime juice, and ginger beer from Q Ginger. And all right, let's get started. So I am going to add my maple syrup, just about a ½ ounce. I'm going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to add about a ½ ounce of lime juice. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix that on up here. I'm going to put ice in my glass. Now is everything and I'm going to top it off with ginger beer. There we go. Mix that up. Okay. Alright. And as most of you know, I am adding garnishes now, so I'm going to garnish it with a dried lime. So thank you for watching, everybody. Hello, Jess. Hello, Kathy. Hi, Mom. Hello, Lori, Melissa, Spencer, Dawn. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. Happy Friday. So cheers to you. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. I will try to be on Sunday tomorrow. I know I probably won't be on, but Sunday maybe you'll catch me. There's a lot of football games on tonight, so get some takeout, bring it home, watch a football game. The playoffs are this weekend, and that's it. We'll hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll catch you soon. Thanks again for everybody's support, and we'll see you soon here at Aroma Thyme. Cheers. Oh, actually, I didn't taste it today.
Are you?
That's nice. Maple syrup and bourbon go so nice together.
Okay. All right, no problem. So,
delicious. Cheers, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll catch you soon.